Guys, the company has been life-changing for me. Like I said, once again, my name is Ashika Davis. I am a realtor in the New Orleans, Louisiana area, guys. Some of you know my story, some of you don't. Doing fairly well in the real estate industry. Couldn't see myself doing anything else, guys. We had about 3 locations, had a lot going on, helping a lot of families, guys. Even trying to teach people how to earn a consistent 6 figures in real estate. We were sharing information and knowledge, just going around trying to get people in homes. And then all of a sudden, we had a huge devastation that hit. You guys know, New Orleans, we have hurricanes, and then we had a tornado. The insurance carriers were saying, you know what, the crime is just getting a little too bad there. It's just too many insurance claims in that area. You know what, we're going to go ahead on and pull out. Guys, when they pulled out, it made it so difficult for us to sell homes because, you need insurance to get a loan and a mortgage closed on a lot of these products. So we were taking people to houses only to inflate them, to get them back to the lender. And the lender says, oh, the debt to income ratio is not going to work. The insurance is busting this deal because the insurance is coming back double what the mortgage is. Guys, and I was just having a difficult time in my area, but because it was because I was boxed into one jurisdiction, one area, even though I was making a substantial amount of income, guys, I did not realize that I was boxed in. Guys, I got introduced to this amazing company, this amazing platform that we call Own Easy, right? Where we allow and we teach people to own their own success in the real estate industry the easy way, right? We help people to own homes the easy way, right? And I discovered this platform and I realized that I did not need to be boxed in, that I can literally leverage my real estate license and earn money across all 50 states, guys, and I've been doing it. It's been working for me, guys. I have totally, completely changed, my career path to the residual realtor, guys, because it's just so exciting to teach people how to earn money in real estate the residual way without owning a bunch of properties with the down payments and things and the liability. So we're going to get into a little bit about that, guys, but let's go ahead on and click through some of these slides so that we can get through them in time. Guys, listen, if you're a realtor on the line, I don't have to read these slides to you. You're fully aware of what's going on. It says, warning, the real estate industry is in crises, right? Lawsuits and legal threats are happening. Keller Williams just got sued for millions of dollars, guys. These other companies are getting sued for a bunch of money. NAR itself, that is over. All of the realtors, right? The real estate structure, right? They're facing a $418 million, not lawsuit. Can somebody say settlement? Right? This thing actually went through, guys, $418 million. It is signaling that there has been a shift in the industry. It is not business as usual, guys. Traditional commission structures are literally under attack, and agents everywhere are feeling the impact, guys. Listen, I promise you, this is the only slide that may have a little doom and gloom there, here and there. But guys, I'm telling you, we're very solution oriented. We're not crying over spilled milk. We're going to show you how to be solution oriented and move forward and put yourself in a place of priority. But guess what? We're not oblivious, and the facts are the facts. These are things that's going on. Look at number 2, guys. 1% listings. New business models are rising everywhere. These online brokerages, they're slashing listing fees. It's causing a lot of competition, and people are going lower and lower. And there's all the headlines, all the posts, all the blogs, all the news stations are talking about the 6% commissions for a realtor could soon be over. Last time I did a presentation, they said, oh, you know what? It's pretty much over. Guys, virtual showings, technology. Guys, listen. We can't run from technology. It's here. And I would like to say it's here to stay, guys. It's getting better and better by the day. Technology is revolutionizing how homes are bought and sold. Guys, listen, I'm just being honest. My last couple deals, these clients already had the home picked out before they got to me. It was a blessing for me, but I'm like, wow, they just got on Zillow and Trulia and they can see the homes and different things like that. But virtual showings and digital platforms are changing the rules of the game. Guys, there's virtual showings right now, and these online platforms are literally showing these homes virtually, right? And then actually going get a realtor to show the home, but it's at such a smaller commission, guys. Listen, are you prepared to adapt? Are you? Especially if you're like me, you put pretty much all of your eggs in one basket. You love helping families, right? You decided that, listen, this is going to be my career forever. I love being a realtor, right? What about no commissions? The threat of zero commission deals is real, and it's emerging as companies are challenging business practice models. If you don't pivot, guys, let's just be honest. You really do risk really are chancing the risk of you losing, some of your livelihood, right? Things are just not the same. Guys, time is running out. Time is running out. The ones that are adapting and pivoting and moving forward, right? And being solution oriented and putting themselves in better positions and predicaments, guys, those are the ones that are winning. Those are the ones that are getting the competitive edge. The old ways of doing business is disappearing fast. It is a state of emergency in the real estate world for those of us that are paying attention to what's going on, right? And only those who are ready to evolve will thrive, guys. Come on, let's talk about evolving, right? I love it. Let's talk about how you can transform your real estate career and become a priority. This is exactly what this platform has done for me in the real estate transaction. Discover how you can gain a competitive edge, guys. Learn how you can gain more opportunity by being in the forefront of the real estate process. More referrals with your new skills, with the new tools, with the new resources, being able to initiate someone mortgage ready credit in 15 minutes, being able to get someone a pre-qual letter in 7 to 10 minutes, guys. You're going to attract more clients. You're going to be able to build a network of loyal referrals, guys, more reach. You're going to be able to expand your territory with dual licensing and other innovative tools, guys. I'm going to show you the numbers on being a dual agent and MLO on the same deal, guys, in multiple streams of income. You're going to be able to learn how you earn from so many facets of the transaction, giving you more financial security and, most of all, flexibility. So here's how we show you how to bulletproof your business. Guys, every time you look around, it's a payout, it's a payout, it's a payout. Real estate is just changing. That's how it was for me. If it wasn't insurance, it's our taxes. If it's not taxes, it's just so much. The lawsuits is just the threats of the commission, right? But this is how you can actually bulletproof your business. Guys, we teach you here how to leverage dual licensing. You can become a mortgage loan officer here without the extra headaches, right? Without the mistakes, because we have mentors that are going to teach you the way without the extra tests or fees. And you can secure your income against these industry changes. AI-driven technology. Guys, listen. If you are not co-partnering with AI some type of way, as scary as it may sound, a lot of people are wanting to stay away from it. But guys, there's some AI platforms that are outworking 100 people within 5 minutes, guys. I'm not exaggerating. You can harness the power of state-of-the-art software that helps you close deals faster and more effectively. We are co-partnering with AI here with this platform. We're able to get pre-qual letters out faster. We're able to get someone's credit restored faster. And in turn, we're able to get someone to the closing table faster, right? So we're getting faster and more referrals because of that. And we're able to make money. What? How? Faster, right? We have mentorship and support here. Guys, you're able to work with top industry leaders. Guys, I can't make any income claims, but if I could, I sure would, guys. Listen, they are doing it, right? Top industry leaders who have built some of the largest MLO teams in the country, guys, and they're going to provide you the guidance that you need to thrive, right? We're showing you how to hone in those leads and how to lock in those clients, right? So what are the 3 barriers to owning a home? Well, credit. Come on, guys. Listen, Ask any realtor, why are you getting fallout? Why weren't you able to get that client that inboxed you to the closing table? They're going to say because they checked their credit, they went on Credit Karma, they thought they were okay. But when we did the tri merger, their credit was really low, right? No cash flow. 60% of Americans don't even have enough savings to cover a $500 plan expense. How are we helping with that here? Guys, not only do we have all type of down payment assistance programs to help people, guys, we also have an income opportunity to help people show proof of income. Guys, it's amazing. We cover all of these, we overcome and jump over all of these hurdles and challenges, right? Lack of financial literacy. Guys, lack of financial literacy definitely cost my siblings 7 figures, and I'm not going to get into that, but you just don't know what you don't know. Lack of financial literacy cost Americans a total of $436 billion in 2022. People are literally throwing money away, not understanding the real cost of renting, guys. And so we're getting out there and we're honing in on home ownership. Guys, these are our visionaries. These are our visionaries. So grateful for these guys. They are postured up on this picture, guys. But listen, behind the smile, these guys are nothing to play with, guys. They take the 75 for all mission very seriously. This is our president, Chet Seeley, in the beautiful blue suit. This is our awesome and amazing co-founder, George Newberry, in the gray suit. And these are our co-founders, but this is the vision. In the next 5 years, we will help 1 million people to become homeowners. Well, how are we going to help them to become homeowners? Well, we have analyzed the challenges, the hurdles, why people are not getting into homes, and we have the solutions. There's a saying that say, you want to make a lot of money, go solve a problem, guys. And we're solving all of the problems that typically arise in the home ownership sector. So we empower consumers with AI-enabled tools to resolve credit report errors. We identify the tools to help more people handle their money now and inform them of their long-term goals. So not only do we help them get into a house, guys, we're teaching strategies to help you pay a 30-year off mortgage in 7 to 10 years, right? By doing just a little strategy. Guys, we train and mobilize community loan officers and title representatives, which means if you're a realtor, you're going to get paid on that credit. You're going to get paid when you do the loan for somebody. You're literally going to get paid for the realtor piece if you're a realtor, and you're going to get paid at the closing table on the title work. So let's get into it, guys. But I want to talk about the real cost of renting. This is really one of the major reasons why the 75 for all program does exist, because people are not counting the cost. They're not counting the cost of passing down debt in our deeds, right? And not making the shift to home ownership so that they can build legacy and wealth in families, guys. And before you know it, you're building someone else's multi-million-dollar real estate portfolio that's going to be passed down to someone else's children, right? While, the generations that are renting, they just have to keep starting off from scratch over and over and over, because nobody's talking about the real cost of renting. How much will you spend on rent in the next 5, 10 to 15 years, guys? I was right at that $2,000 mark when I was actually renting, guys. 10 years, $240,000. I'm sure I paid that unit off so many times over. 15 years, $360,000, guys. Find yourself here and just realize that you're paying a mortgage, just not your own. Do you want to pay 100% interest and 0% principal? Well, guess what? That's what we're doing when we're renting these properties, guys. So did you know that 80% of Americans have had credit issues? 100 million consumers have a low or no credit score. 84% of Americans, they want the American dream of home ownership. And they probably don't know how to realize that dream, wake up and really kind of make it happen, right? And that's what we're doing here at Own Easy. 2 in 5 Americans, 43%, say their credit score has been negatively affected in the past. Guys, we have an awesome and amazing, robust AI powered but attorney backed program that can help someone who has had foreclosures in the past, auto loans on their credit, guys, repos, bankruptcies, evictions, guys, credit card balances, collection accounts. Guys, listen, we don't want to turn anybody away. We do understand that there was just some stuff going on in the world. Some things were kind of hitting people left and right. People were getting sick. People were getting laid off their jobs. Guys, we're not here to judge or condemn anybody. As a matter of fact, we're saying, listen, we understand and we have a solution to help you to move forward if home ownership is your goal. So let's talk about how we partner with AI, guys. And I promise you, we're going to get into the money and how you can actually make money doing this. But before we just get into you becoming a mortgage loan officer, becoming a title representative, guys, we focus on the credit piece first, because I'm telling you, the person that gets out there and helps the most people is going to make the most money. You're going to be able to help so many realtors with their fallout and help people get to the closing table. So this is how we empower people for mortgage ready credit goals. Guys, we have an efficient and effective cutting edge technology system that is patent. Guys, the gentleman that we co-partner with this particular program, they work for the Bureau for years. They know about the e-Oscar system that are denying these cookie cutter letters, right? And what they've said is, well, we understand their machine, we understand their AI, so what we're going to do is make a smarter AI so that when we send our disputes in and things like that, it's going to literally dissect the credit reports and do what they have to do to get those negative items off of the client's reports, right? So let's just go through the process, okay? So it's advanced AI technology. They utilize cutting edge artificial intelligence to dissect the reports quickly and accurately. It's going to give a comprehensive negative analysis of negative items. Now, don't worry. These bureaus are going to be, the credit reports are going to be safely and securely imported without initiating any hard inquiries, any dips in the credit score or anything like that, right? We're looking to move forward and not backwards. It's tailored dispute letters, okay? So we automatically generate personalized dispute letters. It's not cookie color letters. Everybody gets their credit repaired and restored according to their profile. It's nothing cookie cutter about it, guys. We're going to challenge those disputes. We're going to leverage consumer protection laws for the inaccuracies and discrepancies with precision, guys. It's time efficient. You don't have to worry about figuring it out, spending tedious hours trying to scrutinize the credit report, researching dispute tactics, or anything like that. It's an efficient electronic process that's going to even automate the letter sending. So you don't even have to worry about going to the post office or anything like that to send the letters, guys. It's continuous monitoring. 24/7, you're going to have access to the program, right? You're going to be able to track your progress. You're going to be able to observe the fluctuations as negative items are successfully being disputed, guys, so that we can keep up when your clients are actually mortgage ready. Now, if your clients are not quite mortgage ready yet, right, but they desire to purchase a home, guys, listen, you still get them in, and we help you to build a pipeline with this VIP 8-hour AI power credit membership. It's powered by AI, but it is backed by attorneys, okay? So you're going to get the AI dispute technology. You're going to get the debt analysis and budgeting tools. Guys, we have health insurance here that is actually not only for the reps, but this is also for the clients who maybe don't have health insurance. Guys, this really is a company that cares. I promise you, it's going to be far in between to find something like this company and the heart that they have. Access to credit building tools. We have money managers that's going to help them to track payments to make sure they're staying on track to save up for their down payments and things like that. It's going to help them monitor account activity and spending trends, guys. Listen, student loan solutions, if they're loaded with student loans, they show them how to consolidate those, right? And other solutions to get them moving forward to the closing table so they are not penalized for acquiring a career for their family. Guys, we have $1 million in identity fraud insurance, guys, will and trust. It's so expensive these days to get a proper will and trust set up, guys, this is coming with the package because, you know, there's one thing for us to help you to acquire the asset, but we want to make sure that you're protected as well. Guys, we have comprehensive credit coaching and courses. These are by certified FICO pros, guys, and credit experts that are going to teach you how to present yourself as an expert, right? So that you can go ahead on and reel those clients in and build a healthy and substantial pipeline and a foundation for your business. Now, guys, this is the part that blew me away. Why did this blow me away? Because I was very, very versed in credit repair. As a matter of fact, when I took a turn with my income with real estate, I immediately shifted into credit repair, and I'm going to be honest, did quite well. But the cheapest that I could charge a client for credit repair with the notary and, you know, the letters overnighted and the sometimes first class and the hours that you spend, guys, was about $600, and that's if they were definitely a real estate client. But here, guys, I was so blown away and shocked that they have attorneys that are back in this program and all of this AI technology, guys. I was actually able to join this program, guys, and get $81,000 worth of debt. Guys, listen, don't judge me if I told you the story. You'll kind of understand. I'm not going to go into it, but $81,000 of debt eradicated from my credit report, guys. That is a life-changing shift. But a client can actually join this program for $149 for a one-time setup fee. Guys, if a client says, well, if I stop paying the fee, you know, it's $89 a month after, you know, do I lose the insurance? You know, I want to keep the insurance. You know, I need the insurance. I want to keep the attorneys on board. I want the identity theft insurance. You know, it's so many perks to this membership. How do I stay on board? Well, sometimes people stay on board because something to pop back up on their credit, right? And they need to go in another month. Some people stay on board because we have credit builder tools. We'll help you report your rents to your credit, do what we have to do to boost the credit score once we gotten all the, you know, the stuff that's affecting the credit negatively on the credit report, guys. They'll stay in for $89, but some people just want to stay in the program for the perks and the benefits, guys, and that's fine because look at what we have. We have 5 is free. Brilliant idea. This is what's going to help you to build that pipeline, guys, because someone can stay in the program if they only refer you 5 more clients, right? So if somebody refers and maintains a combination of maybe 5 clients that they're sending you, or someone says, oh, I want to be a home buyer coach, I want to be an MLO, you don't have to take a test to get into the $46 trillion industry. How do I do that, right? Guys, people are signing up and getting started. And if you maintain a 5 referrals, guys, you never have to see that $89 fee. But guess what? You actually get to take advantage of these services month after month after month, guys. It's amazing. People are really taking advantage of it. Guys, listen, we're about to get into the MLO piece, but we want you to know that we are doing this for the people. You know, it's a lot of money you're about to see, guys. We're about to talk about some big money, right? Because that's just the potential. CNBC said that this is definitely a career path that you can hop in and on average earn 200K, you know, coming into the industry. I'm not making any income claims. That's what CNBC is saying, guys. Yahoo Finance is saying that the mortgage industry is one of the most lucrative industries that don't have a ceiling or don't have a cap, right? You get into these jobs, you know, and you dread training the next person because you just know they're coming in to take your position. It's nothing like that here, guys. We have vested interest in training us someone to be actually better than us. So I just love the model here. Guys, did you know that on Indeed, check this out, guys, on Indeed, they're saying that this is the #2 career that you can work remotely, guys. This is an amazing career path, right? But we want people to know that even though it's a lot of money involved in what it is we're doing it for the people. So we want people to know, listen, your story matters. Your story matters. Look at Mrs. Kiwi Walker, Mrs. Director Kiwi. She's awesome and amazing. I'm telling you, she's just as beautiful in person as she is on this photo. She says, I'm a single mom with an active athlete. I had a busy life. I never paid attention to my credit before I got denied for a new place because of bad credit. She said, I felt so embarrassed. She said, I sought the help from Own Easy, which goes beyond standard dispute letters. I had an O account that was actually being double reported by both the creditor and a third party. Guys, they really try to do you in, right? She said, after the first round of disputes went out, the attorneys found the violation quickly. She said the attorney guided letters didn't work. The attorney sued all parties and he said, listen, I'm sorry that you took us to play with. We're about to sue you now. And she said, I was actually awarded damages, and I never had to pay back that loan because of the Federal Credit Reporting Act violation. On another occasion, she said the attorney found something else, something that was recycled on my credit. We were able to get that creditor to correct the violation, and my score went up another 24 points. Director Kiwi says this company is amazing. We help people to focus on living the American dream. She said, now I'm on a path to become a homeowner. This is the best decision I made. And she is literally getting people into homes, guys, left and right. Mr. Rod Farrell, oh my God, amazing guy, amazing leader, director with this company. Isn't that something, how people get into this platform and they become leaders because, you know, of their testimony is so genuine and authentic, guys. He's a director, guys, and a director just means you have to come in here and make up your mind to go out and help a lot of people, right? Mr. Rod Farrell, he says, I'm a finance manager in the auto industry. Guys, imagine being the person that has to deny and approve people for credit and knowing that you have, you know, bad credit yourself. He said, I faced issues, but I was hesitant due to my profession. With my wife's encouragement, shout out to the wives, shout out to the ladies, right? Shout out to the men too. He said, I joined this platform and it was life-changing. He said, I had 97 items removed and I was able to obtain a $10,000 600 credit line. Mr. Rod was so excited. He posted that in the group, showed that credit card. We were so excited for him. He said, the credit practitioners are thorough. He said, if I, at 62 years old, can make a change, so can you. He said, start today and your future self will thank you. Face what you're ashamed of. Guys, this is the testimony that it got me to get out of my box. I joined the company, guys, was so excited, but guys, I was so embarrassed for, you know, them to see what my credit was actually looking like because of the challenges that I went through with the industry. But guys, with Mr. Rod Farrell, he said, start today and face what you're ashamed of. Your future self will thank you. Guys, I'm the future self today. I got $81,000 worth of debt off of my credit, guys. And I'm telling you, I am thanking this platform. I am so grateful for it, right? So guys, let's get into the income earning potential that we have here at this platform. Guys, this is probably what you came here for, to find out how you can be an MLO with no stress, no test, none of that, right? But I just want to kind of read you the fine print here. It says, remember, it takes hard work to do anything substantial, guys. Anything worth it is worth working for. That's what the saying is, right? Success in business requires leadership. Guys, listen, you don't have to come in here as a super leader or anything like that that knows it all or anything like that, guys. But we do have leaders on this platform that you can leverage, that are willing to hold your hand, that is willing to show you the way, right? But we are going to need dedication, right? We are going to need some hard work, which is speculative, right? You know, someone might think it's hard. Someone might say it's not hard at all. I'll do this for free. I have a heart for people. You know, I get someone in a home for free, right? And there's a saying, guys, you teach a man, you give a man a fish, he'll eat for a day, but you teach a man to fish and he'll eat for a lifetime, guys. And that's what we're doing with our apprentice program. We help people to reach their potential through our unmatched portfolio of solutions that are designed to help people succeed and earn while they learn in the 75 for all mission, helping us to get 1 million families in homes within 5 years. We're going to educate those first-time loan officers. Guys, you can be a mortgage pro and say, what? You're going to give me 50 states, right? And I don't have to go paying for the infrastructure. I don't have to go hiring all this staff. You mean to tell me you're going to set me up with an underwriter and a processor, and I'm going to be able to do loans in all 50 states? Hey, sign me up. Where do I sign, right? We're going to show people how they're going to be able to become title agents and earn money on the last facet of the business, guys. We're going to help people to earn a part-time or full-time career here as a 50-state federal, right, federal. We override the states. We don't have to cut through that red tape, right? Or jump through any of those hoops, right? We're federal mortgage loan officers, guys. Here, because we're federal loan officers, and we believe with this platform that hands-on training is the best training. We don't put you through the state licensing test. We don't put you through that continuing education, right? This is a nationwide, federally chartered institution that we're literally partnered with. Qualified applicants complete a background check. If you need to get into the apprentice program, we welcome you with open arms. We want you to be a high-performing mortgage loan officer, a high-performing realtor, right? So that you can get those high-performing checks that are able to perform, those bills and things like that, guys. You get your NMLS number. Non-qualified applicants can actually earn as they learn, as we show you how to meet the requirements of becoming a high-performing mortgage loan officer. So, guys, there's so many ways you get paid in this platform. Now we're about to talk about the numbers, how you can earn as you learn. 3 careers in one. If you're a realtor, that's 4 careers in one. We're talking about becoming a mortgage loan originator, title representative, and how you can get paid as a credit advocate, as a home buyer coach. May I add, you're going to get certifications for that. You're going to be a certified home buyer coach, right? So those of you who are not doing well in the real estate industry, we show you how to rebrand yourself, get yourself back out there as a certified home buyer coach. People like certifications, right? And we show you how to present yourself as an expert in helping families and individuals get mortgage ready, right? While you are leveraging the experts, right? And leveraging the leadership. Now, guys, remember I showed you about the $149 that the clients pay when they get into the program. Guys, this is just a company that cares. This company actually lets you earn profit share on everything you do here. You get paid to build a pipeline. Guys, quick story. When I first got into the real estate industry, I was very desperate to make some money. My husband got laid off. Fortune 500 company gave us a severance package that wasn't enough to cover our bills for 2 months. And they offered him, they said, well, we'll pay for you to see a shrink if you like, because we know we're sweeping your income from under your feet. You have a pregnant wife and things like that. And I say, Jesus, Lord, I know I'm on bed rest, but I need to find something to do. I thought about selling cars, and they say, oh, Shika, you're too nice. That industry is going to eat you alive. I said, well, I could sell some yachts, but I didn't know any billionaires or anything. So I took a shot in the real estate in the real estate industry, guys, and it really paid off. Why did it pay off for me? Because, guys, I had 26 people in the pipeline before I even got my real estate license, making sure that their credit was together, right? Making sure that they had everything together. And you can do the same thing here, guys. Every time that you enroll a customer in that 149 program, guys, this company pays out $100 of that, up to $100 of that, right back out to the field. Guys, that $89, guys, even if someone gets their services for free, the company is saying, oh, don't worry about it. We're still going to pay you. Guys, you residually earn up to $40 off of the $89. Guys, there's a fast track expansion bonus. Guys, if you get in and strap your boots and say, oh, I can do this. I can go help some families, right? So many people need this, right? Guys, there's an $11,000 fast track bonus. I got it, guys. It hit my account. I was grateful for it. I was able to catch up on some bills with that, guys. I brought, people into the business. They got the $11,000. The person that brought me into the business, she got the $11,000 bonus. Guys, the housing incentive and contests and incentives, guys. This is just a company that cares, guys. They pay us for everything, and on top of it, there's bonuses. This company says, listen, if you help us get some people into homes, right, and help us advance the 75 for all movement and mission, well, guess what? We want to help you with your housing expenses. Guys, that's up to $1,500. Hits the account like clockwork, guys. It really does help me with my mortgage, right? It's an amazing, guys, contest. Listen, we're going to let our hair down in November. 100 of us, we won a cruise, guys, 7-day cruise on a celebrity cruise line. Guys, this is an amazing company, the company that cares. We like to have fun. We like to help people, guys. Listen, it's thebomb.com over here. I'm so excited. So let me just keep moving forward. Guys, this is the MLO portion of the actual opportunity here. Guys, you get to lay a foundation in the 46 $1 trillion industry, right? You don't have to come in and be a meatball lost in the sauce or feel like you're thrown in the water with the sharks in the dark, right? It's a fast-paced industry, right? The person that's, getting seen the most, the person that is putting their self out there as a one-stop shop and gaining the competitive edge. Those are the ones that are winning, the ones that are being taught to build funnels and use technology and harness the power of AI. Those are the ones that are getting the competitive edge, guys. That's us here at Own Easy, guys. This is the most comprehensive and nationally acclaimed program for those who are looking to become part-time loan officers and title representatives, right? You can launch your career here even part-time. Do it on the sideline when you can, right? Help some people get into homes, guys, as an MLO, as a title representative, as a certified home buyer coach. Guys, it's a small coaching program. It's a one-on-one mentorship program where someone who has done this and done this very, very well is going to hold you by the hand and say, let me show you everything I know. You can do this. You can be successful. It's a blueprint. I followed the blueprint. So if it worked for me, it will definitely work for you, right? We just found something that works. And if it's not broke, look, don't worry about fixing it. Do this and you should have success, right? And that's what we're doing here with the apprentice program. Guys, this slide is one of the slides that actually literally changed my life. It changed the trajectory of my business because I did not know this. Guys, don't you find it strange, all of the doom and gloom, and even CNN is talking about realtors, you're about to lose your commission, and every time you turn on YouTube, it's a blogger, you're scrolling on social media, they're talking about the $418 million lawsuit. But guys, why wasn't there headlines talking about this? On December the 16th, 2022, the FHA announced a rule change that will now allow real estate agents to serve as mortgage loan officers on the same file. Guys, when Coach K said this, when I got to the Zoom, I'm like, okay, well, I know I can be a mortgage loan officer. I know I can be a realtor, but then this popped up. It said, can real estate agents be mortgage loan officers? Yes, I pretty much knew that, right? But they said on the same transaction, she said, yes. I said, wait a minute. I thought it was a conflict of interest. I thought this was a RESPA violation. If I would have known this, I wouldn't have been suffering, losing my income. If I knew that I could, help my clients on the real estate side and also on the mortgage side, I probably would have had a larger nest egg, right? And I wouldn't have seen my finance dwindling down if I knew that I could bring in 2 checks in my household on one transaction. Guys, listen to this testimonial by the awesome and amazing, very super successful, renowned broker, Mrs. Denise Wilson. She's a realtor in North Carolina. She said, as a broker, as a realtor for more than 20 years, I have committed my life. Guys, I did the same thing. I committed my life to helping families own homes, right? She said, when I saw this platform, it made sense. I said the same thing. I said, no brainer, right? She said, I immediately saw an opportunity to help unqualified families get qualified, get to their dream of home ownership. She said, although I'm licensed in North Carolina, it's been so exciting to help clients in other states. I'm telling you, break free of the ceiling of those jurisdictions. Come on, get yourself outside of that box. She said, my first 2 deals as an MLO was a refinance in New York. The same family entrusted me to help connect them with an agent in Pennsylvania. Guys, we're going to show you how to leverage your license and become a better realtor all across the board, right? She said, I served as their MLO also, having access to do loans in all 50 states. She said, it's rewarding. Guys, it's super rewarding. It's life-changing. And she said, and I am looking forward to helping so many more families. Guys, game changer. Listen, don't worry about the doom and gloom, guys. Nobody's talking about this. Realtors, pivot, become a priority in the real estate transaction, right? And become a one-stop shop, guys. Listen, that is the way to do it. You're going to open yourself up to 50 states, and then I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to use your real estate license. That is just you may have reciprocity in another state or 2, but I'm going to show you how to use your one real estate license and earn money even with your real estate license in all 50 states without any more stress, without any more tests or any of that. So let's get into it. But these are the benefits of a real estate professional. Guys, when I got here, I realized streamlined transactions. Clients enjoy a smoother process from start to finish. Trusted relationships. We get to build stronger trust-based relationships with clients. Hey, our clients just trust realtors. We're the counselors, we're the best friends, we're the adopted family members, we're everything by the time, the transaction is over, right? Guys, reduce stress. Minimize the hassle of coordinating with multiple service providers. Guys, listen, I can't count the times I've sent my clients to other service providers or other mortgage loan officers, guys. And I'm telling you, when those clients start sending their family and friends, I never get a call back. I never get a call back. I don't know what's up with that, but it's just weird that there's not a lot of reciprocity in the industry, guys. Most of the time I ask, and matter of fact, realtors, how many times have you gotten a deal, back from a mortgage loan officer after you pretty much are so loyal and give them your deals? Guys, look, so many people in the chat are going to say zero. It happens every time I do a presentation, guys. I got a fruit basket. Somebody said they got some candy pecans before, but guys, it's nothing like earning money on, those transactions. And that's what we're going to talk about. So guys, this is what the clients love, the speed, right? We're able to initiate mortgage ready creditness process in 15 minutes. Guys, we're able to get them a pre-qual letter in 7 to 10 minutes, guys. Transparency. They love not wondering, am I a needle in the haystack on somebody's desk? While I'm purchasing the #1 most expensive purchase that I will ever make in my entire life. Guys, sometimes it's a stressful, intimidating process, and the clients love full transparency. No longer having to worry about issues falling apart at the last minute because someone is too busy to take and pay attention to your client. Guys, we solve common home buyer issues here. We talked about it. Credit, no problem. Finances, come on, no problem. Education, don't worry about that. Income, we got you there too, right? So we solve so many problems. That's someone we have, guys. So you can come in and be qualified as a federal loan officer. This slide may be equally as important to someone as it was to me, because in Louisiana, guys, being a very impoverished state, Mississippi is #1 as far as poverty in all 50 states. Louisiana is #2. And New Mexico is #3. Everybody else is doing a whole lot better. So if you're not in those states, kudos to you. There's a little more money flourishing in those areas. But guys, we help families to become homeowners with a focus on the underserved and the underrepresented. Yet the well-deserved, right? We have the government-sponsored mortgages that you normally have: FHA, VA, USDA, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mae. As you know, with the USDA loan, we like to help people leverage even around tax season. We say, listen, let me show you how to leverage. Guys, people are getting so many leads showing people how to leverage that tax money, right? You don't have to spend a dime of it. We're going to show you how to get yourself in a program where you put no skin in the game, leveraging that tax money. Just keep it in your account so you can show reserves for a rainy day, and we can get you a loan with no money down. Guys, we teach you some of those strategies to get clients. Guys, we literally have a program where we help people on Section 8 to leverage that Section 8 voucher and move forward into home ownership. Because guys, I didn't know this. I found out from a client that I closed on a home. She said, my mom passed me down the Section 8 voucher. I said, I didn't know you can pass down Section 8 vouchers, right? But guess what? We're not boxed in. We do conventional loans here, jumbo loans. Listen, we have a heart for the community, guys. But if you run across somebody that wants $1 million home or 7 or 8 figure home, guys, you can get paid on that loan. We do jumbo loans here, I-10 loans, guys. Those are loans for people with no Social Security number. We do refinances, right? We do bank statement loans for people who don't want to box themselves into just their tax documents, but they have a strong revenue coming into the bank account, guys. We do those. DSCR loans. Those are some of these are no income docs loans. People are leveraging this to become real estate investors, right? No income. Well, why will the bank let someone purchase a home with no income documents because of the equity in the property? The bank says, listen, if it makes dollars, it makes sense to us. Let's get that deal done, right? Manual underwriting on applications that are being rejected by automated underwriting, guys. It happens so much. People are getting denied by the desktop software because they don't fit in a nice, neat little box, guys. But our financial institutions are picking up the phone and saying, hey, you know what? I'm noticing you got denied for bankruptcy, but you have income. This is a true story. You have income, you have consistent work now. What's going on? Had a client making 76,000 a year, was a traveling nurse. She said, yeah, I know I have the bankruptcy. I took a chance, filled out the application because of a post that I saw on social media say you guys can really help people, right? And they're saying, well, what happened? She explained that she had family issues. She explained that she got sick. And guys, by the time she got off of the phone with that loan officer at our federal institution, she had a pre-qual letter in her inbox for $359,000. Guys, she was so excited. That testimonial is recorded on social media. It was beautiful. Guys, 203K loans, rehab loans, for those people who like to watch HGTV and understand the benefits of putting sweat equity and building financial equity into a property, right? And we help people qualify with credit scores as low as 580. We're not advising that. The program is too amazing. Our AI power platform, guys. I prefer you to put somebody in the credit program, let them experience the benefits of that program, guys, and help them to get their score up. They're going to get better rates. They're going to get better terms. And so help them out with that, right? And we earn commissions here, guys. You can do this part-time. You can do this full-time, guys, and you can do this in all 50 states. So guys, the rush is on. We're looking for anybody with hearts who help other people. Realtors, here's the news flash here. MLOs are getting paid more times than we ever could. You can get paid on someone purchasing a home now. What about when they refinance, when these rates are dropping, guys? Rates are dropping. Realtors, unfortunately, we're not able to get paid off that facet of a business, guys. I had a client was out shopping $3.2 million, right? And she said, Sheikah, well, if I'm going to purchase this home, you're doing an amazing job, but I'm not finding what I want. I prefer to build and I can get exactly what I want. Well, guess what? I still refer her to the same lender. That lender got paid for that deal. I didn't get paid for that deal at all, guys. We help families when they buy new homes, right? They become empty nesters. They can't quite get up the stairs. They expand their families. They're getting married, guys. People are getting married every day. Someone is buying a home every day, guys. And the beautiful part about that here is you learn as you earn. Guys, you get coaching, you get training, you get mentorship to help you to become a high-performing MLO. Guys, every time you help a family, guys, in your successful career as an MLO in all 50 states, guys, you earn 50 to 100 basis points on closed mortgages. Well, Ashika, what's basis points, right? It is a mortgage term, and I'm going to break it down to you in a way that you can understand, a way that I understood, right? Because I didn't understand basis points either, right? So commissions here are paid out on the 5th and the 20th on the mortgage side. And of course, on the credit side and things like that, guys, we get paid 5 times a month. So it's 7 times here, or a little better, actually, because you get the housing bonus, you get paid a lot of times here with us, guys. As a matter of fact, got a direct deposit on yesterday, excited about it. But this is how the commissions are actually paid out. On the average $400,000 loan, okay, the industry average is about is a little bit more than 400,000, but for the sake of numbers, we're going to do 400. So for the sake of understanding on basis points, 50, the basis points, we're going to equate that to 50%. 75 basis points, 0.75, we're going to say that is 75%, and 100 basis points, 100%. So it's simple. This is how it breaks down, guys. On your first transaction, realize you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. You get your assistants, your underwriters, your processor, the person that has apprenticed you, your mentor. They are by your side every step of the way, every step of the transaction. Why? Because this is a highly compliant federal regulated industry, right? And we have to make sure that you are protected and secure in what you're doing, right? So on that first transaction where you wouldn't have gotten paid $0, you would have just passed that loan to another lender and not make any money, right? You process that client, right, with the software that's going to get your client that pre-qual letter in 7 to 10 minutes, guys. And on that deal, $4,000 is paid out. Well, on your first deal, guys, well, you earned yourself 50% of that, which is $2,000. I'm going to be honest and transparent. The person that was helping me on my deals, right, did 95% of the work on the first deal. I'm going to be honest, they did. Now on the second transaction, right, that same $4,000 is earned. Okay, because we get paid the 1%. Guys, you're going to earn 75% on that second deal. Someone put pay raise in the chat. You just got a pay raise because you are helping to advance the 75 for all mission. Thank you, right? So you're at 75 basis points, guys. That's $3,000 that you get to add on to that hefty real estate commission, right, that you wouldn't have received, okay? What about on your third transaction, guys? $4,000 is paid out. Guys, what I will have you know, your underwriter is not going anywhere. Your processor is not going anywhere. The person that apprenticed you in this program is not going anywhere. Your mentor, your trainer, nobody's going anywhere, guys. We're still holding your hand, right? You still have access to the software, the technology, everything, but you get paid 100 basis points on your third transaction. Somebody put leverage in the chat. Guys, we teach you how to leverage here, right? And earn as you learn. Guys, for the remaining of the quarter, let's say you got a client on loan 1 and she said, oh, I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to refer you 5 clients, right? I need this healthcare. I need these benefits. I'm going to send you 5 clients. As a matter of fact, I have coworkers, I have church members, you know, I have family members. You did such an amazing job with me. Why wouldn't I want someone to experience this? You helped me with my credit. You got me down payment assistance, right? And let's say you got 5 more loans, guys, for that quarter. Guys, you literally get paid 100%, $4,000 for each loan for the remaining quarter. Guys, it starts off every single quarter. It starts over, giving you the opportunity to earn 100% again every quarter, every quarter, every quarter. So let's do some numbers, guys. It is said that the average MLO does anywhere between 5 to 10 deals. You have to realize, realtors, you may be saying, whoa, 5 to 10 deals. I'm not doing that, right? But you have to realize these are mortgage loan officers. These are the ones with the money. These are the ones that are priority. No one can really even see a realtor and be successful in the transaction unless they have a mortgage loan officer. If someone comes to a realtor, right, without a pre-qual letter, what do? We help them to get pre-qual letter, or we say, sweetheart, you have to come back. I need a pre-qual letter. We need the funds to purchase this home, right? So you have to realize that is the person that's literally getting all of the deals, guys. I wasn't surprised when we were comparing tax documents because, you know, did fairly well my first year. Like I said, I already had 26 people in the pipeline because of the credit repair program. And I was just astonished at, you know, I was afraid of the taxes. And I was talking to my mortgage loan officer. He said, Sheikah, you think that's bad? He said, I made $1 million. And I'm like, this is this guy's first year as a mortgage loan officer. And I said, well, that makes sense. I know I send him realtors, you know, we're posting them on social media, tagging them with the clients all the time. They're saying, oh, if you helped her get in a home, I know you can help me. Guys, he went so viral, you know, because he's got known for helping people get into homes. All the realtors wanted to partner with this person, guys. This is the person that's actually doing deals. So let's break it down, guys. You do 3 loans in a month, right? And not even in a month, however you want to do it, guys. You process 3 loans, guys, that's $9,000. Let's say in a quarter, guys, you do 8 loans. That's 400 at $400,000 mark, guys, that's $24,000. Some people are making it a point to do this in a month. Guys, if you go on some of these leaders' pages, I think I was talking to Dr. Kofer. Dr. Kofer said she was on number 29 or something. I'm like, okay, right, guys, listen, it is amazing. Now, realtors, listen, this is the part of the transaction where I knew this was definitely for me. And I knew that my new name was Ashika, the residual realtor. Guys, you are able to leverage your license. Let's do the math, right? as a dual mortgage loan officer, as a realtor. Let's show you how to work that referral contract and use your one real estate license that you thought was restricted, that you thought was confined, and I'll show you how to make money in all 50 states. We have heavier trainings and stuff on this, guys, but obviously I can't knock all of this information down in 1 hour. So you get to leverage your license here, guys. I showed you the MLO commission, guys. Just say on the $4,000 times 8, guys, that's $32,000 with the basis points once you've actually reached your third deal. Guys, as a referral realtor, if I help someone with their credit, if someone contacted me online and I know this person clearly does not have a realtor because they clearly did not even know that they could get these resources and things that I have helped them to provide for them because of this platform, guys, they don't have a realtor. I'm not going to say, okay, I helped you with the loan. Bye-bye now, guys. I have a real estate license. I'm going to say, hey, you know, even though you're in North Carolina and I'm in Louisiana, I can partner you with a realtor that's going to assist me to assist you and help you to get to the closing table to make this even more a seamless transaction. Would you like me to do that? Guys, 9 times out of 10, they trust you, they appreciate you, and they want to deal with your network. They're going to say, yes, introduce me to another realtor, guys. And you literally are able to bless another realtor that is wondering maybe even where their next deal is going to come from, right? Guys, and you write up that referral contract and you send it to that realtor and say, hey, listen, this client is all done, credit done, pre-qual letter. As a matter of fact, they've already been looking around. They kind of know what they want already. Not going to be a difficult client at all. I'm going to send you the referral contract for 35%, right? And as a referral realtor, guys, on the average $400,000 home, the same client that you made the money off the mortgage side, right? You get to get paid as a referral realtor, even though you're not in that state. Guys, I'm in Louisiana. I've never been in Maine. Got a client in Maine. Got a client in Arkansas, guys. Have I? I probably passed through. I didn't stop, there. I'm sure it's a beautiful place, just have not. Alabama, guys, was able to call up a realtor in Georgia and in this platform and pass on a client. Guys, so many clients in places that I would not have access to touch those clients had I not been a 50-state mortgage loan officer with all of these tools, resources, and programs. So guys, as a referral realtor, that home is going to pay about $12,000. 35% of that is $4,200. Guys, you do that on all 8 of those clients. You just already got paid on that MLO commission. Guys, times 8, guys, that's another $33,600. Combined commission, $65,600. Annual earning potential, guys, if you really hone in, you really lock in, you really plug into the home buying seminars where we are selling your client for you, right? And helping you to get paid. Guys, that's an annual earning potential of $787,000. Well, you might be saying, you know what? Forget it. I don't think I'm going to be able to do 8 loans a month. Guys, what about 4? That's still an extra almost $400,000. Guys, for those of you who saying, nope, I don't think I can do 4. Guys, what about 2 deals? Are you able to help us with the 75 for all mission and do 2 deals a month? Guys, that's almost $200,000 extra dollars coming into your household because you're sitting behind a computer. You're issuing a pre-qual letter. You're picking up the phone and you're blessing another realtor with a transaction, guys. It doesn't seem like that's too hard, right? You could do it. I'm not going to go down any further, guys. We have too many leaders that you can leverage here. If you don't think you can do 2 loans in a month, guys, that is exactly why you should be signing up for this amazing program. Guys, somebody put more money in the chat, guys. You got paid off the credit, you got paid off the MLO, you got paid off of a realtor, right? And we teach you those strategies more in depth once you get signed up, right, guys? You get paid 7 levels deep. We give revenue share here on the title. Guys, you get paid up to 20% on the title services, right? Excluding the title policy. Guys, if you really understood the power of residual income, especially in real estate. Guys, I'm not saying I want to see anybody harm themselves, but you would literally run through a brick wall to try to get to this, guys. It is amazing. Dr. Groves always says sleep money, money that you actually make in your sleep. Guys, you get paid up to 7 levels. Come on, EXP agents, you understand this. Keller Williams agents, you understand the profit sharing model. It's just that the numbers, if you look at these numbers, the numbers are just a little bit higher. They're paying out a little bit more on our levels. Guys, listen, don't don't really have time to really deeply go into this. But listen, Rockefeller himself, one of the wealthiest men in the world, said, I'd rather get paid 1% off of 100 people's efforts than to get paid 1% of my own. Guys, listen, if you understood residual income, you can put yourself in a wealthy position. And we literally teach that, how to get wealthy in real estate, right? Or we don't make any income claims, but how you can build a residual business in real estate without owning a bunch of property. Guys, you want to get in and learn that strategy. I promise you, you're going to want to know that strategy. Guys, this is the revenue sharing chart. Somebody put more money. You guys put more money in the chat, right? Title income examples, guys. You get paid $300 to $500, guys, on the title just for simply saying, hey, listen, I help you with your credit. I help you with your loan. I'm your realtor. You trust me. You know, we're locked in. Would you like me to refer you to the title company that I am a representative of, a company that I trust to get you to the closing table proficiently, guys? And if they say yes, guys, you earn more money on this as well, guys. We've never been able to get paid so much on these transactions. So these are the 3 career paths, guys. If you come in, you're a beginner, you know nothing about real estate. Hey, you may not even be a realtor, right? You start as a credit advocate. I teach you to do what I did, right? We teach you to build a pipeline. Then we're going to get you to certifications to put yourself out there as an expert, as a proper certified home buyer coach, right? Even if you're not a realtor, you can present yourself as a certified home buyer coach. Then we teach you to get national exposure to build that residual business and attract business partners into your business where you're able to earn residuals, right? And we teach you how to become a national advocate with this company. That's a beautiful thing here, guys. Then we put you through the apprentice program where someone is going to hold your hand through a couple loans, right? Before we just lease you over to the software. And after you're able to complete 2 deals with an apprentice, guys, we start letting you work with the software, but you still have someone by your side every step of the way. Then you're going to submit your application, guys, and that's when the confetti, the balloons go up, the banners go up, the congratulations go up, the woohoos start screaming out, guys, because you're able to be hired as an MLO and a title representative. Guys, listen, some of our real estate agents are saying, listen, look, put me in the game, coach. Let me make this money, right? All you're going to do if you have 2 deals within the past 6 months, I think it's going to go up to 4, deals to make sure that we are getting high performing real estate agents in the program. If you don't have 4, you just join the apprentice program and we'll walk you through the requirements, right? But you're going to submit your MLO and title application, get into the apprentice program. If you don't have 2 deals, get into the apprentice program because we need to teach you how to get leads. If you don't have 2 deals within the past 6 months, then we need to teach you some other strategies to be high performing. Okay, so we teach you that. And then you can become a credit advocate and home buyer coach and get your certifications, right? And if you have the deals, guys, you just skip the apprentice program and you get hired and you can help us with the 75 for all mission. Exciting, right? So guys, listen, I'm just going to go ahead on and brief you on everything. We talked about everything you get. You get the legal plan services here. When you join our platform, you get access to AI repair and building tools. You get your compliance courses. Guys, I think like $1,200 on courses trying to do this the traditional way. It kept timing out on me. I felt like I was learning a 3rd language. Guys, I'm only on language number 1, right? The training, we get you your website, your own personalized website. You're going to get your own landing page, when you're getting leads in and things like that to get that application filled out. Guys, you're going to get a mobile app you're going to be able to send to people. You're going to learn how to become a high-performing 50-state MLO. Guys, you're going to get a fully staffed MLO business. Go try buying a McDonald's franchise or a Chick-fil-A franchise. Guys, you still have to staff. That still has to come out of your payroll, right? Guys, 20% earnings as a title representative. Guys, the industry average is 7%. This is not an average company. We don't have average leaders here. We don't do anything mediocre. Guys, you get to earn up to $1,500 in a monthly housing allowance. Guys, this is just when we become a company that just simply cares because, guys, people are not saying, hey, I'm going to pay you a paycheck, and on top of your paycheck, how much is that mortgage? Let me help you with that too, right? No, that's not happening, but it's happening here at Own Easy, guys. These are just bonus benefits, guys. When you get into the light blue, these are things that the company is doing that they truly don't have to do. This is when they kick into overdrive and start doing extra just because they care about the community, they care about people, and they understand, you know, the needs of the entrepreneur, right? Not only are you going to get the coaching, the training, the mentorship, you're going to get a $25,000 life insurance policy. You get low to no cost insurance. I have a business partner that's paying nothing for insurance, you know, taking care of his mental health now, getting his, you know, making sure his back, you know, is okay. Go and see a dentist. You know, he says, Sheikah, I'm taking advantage of this. Before this, my only health insurance was, hey, try not to get sick, right? Guys, the mentorship and coaching from industry leaders, guys, you're going to get your point of sale system. I was paying $3.99 a month for a POS system, guys. You're going to get your CRM. I paid $9,000, guys. Listen, I'm not trying to just talk about the mistakes that I did. I just want to impress on you to let you know that there's a better way, guys. I've tried it the hard way, guys, and this is such an easier name. Own Easy, guys. Easy is in the name of the company. Guys, you're going to get all of your reports and everything that you're going to need to run a successful business and run your stats. Guys, so you can start your business today. You can invest thousands of dollars and hours in researching and paying tens of thousands of dollars, wondering, oh my God, is this Instagram person real? What's going on? You know, am I going to lose my money? Am I really going to learn anything? Guys, you can spend $50,000 hopping from state to state to state to state, passing their tests, leveraging trying to get the infrastructure done, go and find underwriters and processors and attorneys and all of this stuff that these billionaires, you know, these billion-dollar business builders, this would be the $4 billion business that our CEO and our co-founder has built, guys, or you can leverage them instead of paying to get nationwide coverage, or you can spend thousands of dollars trying to get a website built. What colors do I use? You know, I have to learn color psychology and the POS systems, and now I have to get a marketer to help me with the marketing tools and all that. Or you can simply do it the better route, guys. You can do it the better route. The traditional route is so tedious. You have to pass these pre-licensing courses and pass the exam. They say it's a 50% failure rate. All of this continuing education, guys, and hopping from state to state, guys, it would easily cost $50,000 or better. Guys, here you sign up. If you need mentorship and training, we're here for you. You know, vested interest in helping you succeed, hoping that you come in and do better than we do. You know, you receive training, guys. You get your background check. You know, you're able to originate in all 50 states. You know, the only no that we want you to have to tell your clients is no problem and no matter what, because this is the most robust, nationally acclaimed program out there with the tools and resources to help people succeed in home ownership, right? But here's some more no's for you. No state licensing test, no state licensing fees, no continuing education requirements, no state annual renewals, and no state annual fees, guys. This is a hands-on platform. You learn as you earn. Guys, you get all of that for only $3.99 one-time setup fee. But since you stayed, guys, and spent your lunch here, I'm going to give you a promo code, guys. Listen, I know reps, you guys are going to be shocked when you hear what we have to offer today. For those of you who invited people to the call who want to get signed up, but guys, even if it was still $3.99, guys, $3.99 can't even pay for one state for the test. I mean, for the classes, then you have to go take a test. Guys, we're not going to get into that. It's a lot of money to build this infrastructure out. Guys, to run your business every month, month after month. You know, I have a business partner just coming off the cruise. I have a business partner that just was taking pictures in Dubai, engagement photos, guys. Still was getting paid like clockwork because of this program, right? Guys, it's only $89 to run your business anywhere in the world and get your tools, your resources, your website servicing, you know, everything you need, a fully staffed business, right? The phones are still going to be answered while you're on vacation or doing whatever it is that you're doing, guys. And if you don't want to pay the $89 fee, remember I told you about the 5 and free. Well, the company cares about advancing the 75 for all mission way more than they care about this $89. And they say, listen, help us, right? Help us to help you. Refer and maintain a combination of 5 VIP members, people that want to get their credit done, people that want to get a house, right? Or bring us in somebody who wants to learn how to be a home buyer coach, right? Or an MLO or a title representative, guys, and bring 5 people into the platform that is helping to advance this mission, right? And you never have to see an $89 fee, guys. You pay that one monthly setup, that one first time setup fee, never have a monthly payment. Guys, I have never paid a monthly payment ever since I've been in this business. Guys, I will have you know that as of today, we have a coupon code where you can literally get $150 off in all caps. Matter of fact, I'm not going to even give you the code. Get back with the person that got you on the line today and let them know that you are ready to make an impact. You are ready to make a difference in this 75 for all mission, guys, and they're going to give you the code. They're going to give you the code so that you can go ahead on and sign up, get your website going, get in the apprenticeship program, get what you need so you can thrive in this 75 for all mission. Guys, I'm telling you, if you're a realtor on this line, listen, I just admonish you not to be like the yellow taxi cab. Guys, I went outside the airport, I want to say last month, and I walked outside and I was so confused. These yellow taxi cabs were just taking up so much space. I said, why are they here anyway? Everybody's passing them up. They're calling Uber. They're calling Lyft. I said, I can't believe it. They didn't see that there was a shift in their industry. Why are they still sitting here? What's the problem? And I said, guys, it's the same thing here, guys. There's been a shift in the industry, guys. People are going to be calling that realtor, that's the MLO, that's the credit coach that can help them all the way from credits to close. Guys, there has been a shift, I'm telling you, and I admonish you to go ahead on and shift with the shift and take advantage of everything that Own Easy has to offer you. Guys, this is the end of our presentation, and I just want to leave you with love, peace, and real estate. Make sure you contact the person that got you onto this call, guys, and we will absolutely see you at the top because the bottom was just way too crowded. Bye-bye. Thank you, everybody.